Abuja, just this week, and I'm the to just say, Soko PM was secondary Takrade Metropolis. A 20-year-old gentleman, I wore on one Kasaninia wedi 17 years. Second, I'm a Ninuana film because of padlock. Or Sininuano, Aquacubune padlocker, a Danny Diani. Now, a branch, just as I told you, Mampong, I a community in secondary Takrade Metropolis, and as I semno a year. Now, after that branch and realizes, what Kuninuano, or pay baby, I didn't 35. Now, just yesterday, and I heard of public affairs unit, second D, Miss Olivia, Yiti Adiku, Edbetu just say, Omacha branch, na branch any journey, and almost Susa branch, and Okoshe Kujukrum, I and also a community in second D Takrade Metropolis, Onoma. Now, police force say, on reliable intelligence, Monsa Kayano, and a denam so Emma branch, and Omachan. According to police for a branch and Nifia D, the yaw, name ni school dia, Dodoana nim Eye Antoniaqua, and a Ninuaketwa Parkwesino, and also Nabrofu Dia Francis Mensa. Now, it is believed, say, on Saturday, 16th August, our Mampong, Piase, just around 6 p.m. And as I said, me see Abrana Ninuano as well share the phone, which is believed, say, Newu Ninua Yaw, Edemana Yawa Tuni Pumenti, we share Yawa, well, who Yaw, no, yes, any Obupunani, Nawako uniform, and Yaw Baya, or see Daintina, Ninuana Kubupunani, no one Chamanama, and I denam so Mayaw, Edikun, Ninua, Parkwesi, and I said Francis Mensa. As we speak now, police force say, a branch is in their custody. Our Boa Mona, Omotumia, 70 Munship. Now, the saddest aspect of this whole issue is that Mameno has lost 2 sons. One is dead, and the other is likely to spend his entire life in prison just because of anger. It is very sad. 20 years and 17 years of childbirth, Nina has gone waste just because of the anger of Neba 20-year-old boy. Tisiano, Mameno Nina, Ashirino. As sad as it is, we can still learn lessons from it. Our prayers are with the mother, but I will come back because there is an issue with parenting, but I won't address that issue now. Until then, share your thoughts with me in the comment section and follow the page for Media Citizen. Ojo Junior, God bless you.